next part is Minchah. As noted above, Mishnah Berurah rules that women are obligated to daven Minchah each day. So I'm not sure when exactly they accepted on the women accepted upon themselves, but long time ago. Right? Maybe I guess before the time of Shulchan Aruch. I'm not sure when, but okay. Okay, so meaning what? That Mishnah Berurah said no, they are actually obligated. Once again, the woman is busy with her children and cannot find time, she is exempt. A woman who relied upon saying Birchas HaTorah and Birchas HaShachar, so meaning the blessing of the Torah in the early morning, and Birchas HaShachar, that's we said it's obligatory, before Chatzos. So if she said all of this before the midday, should make a concerted effort to daven the full Shmona Esrei at Mincha. It might be more convenient for her to daven Mincha before her children returned from school. Okay. One is permitted to begin daven Mincha 1/2 an hour after Chatzos, which is 6.5 halachic hours after sunrise. It is preferable to daven Mincha before the sunset. Okay, so let's try to understand what we say here. So first of all, Mishnah Berurah says, women are obligated to pray Mincha. Again, we say if she's busy, if she's taking care of sick people, whatever other people, there is no problem. She's not obligated, right? As we said, blessing, morning blessing, whether it is 15 or how many, like short blessing, whatever we say in the morning, so she can say it later. There is no problem. She can say it whenever she has time, as we explained before. So, but preferably she should say it until Chatzos, until the midday, till the halachic noon. But technically, as we said, she can say the whole day. Forever, she was busy with children. And only at night, like before the sunset, she has time, so she can say even then. But for sure, she must say, especially blessing on the learning Torah, Birchos HaTorah, right? And if she said, it's very interesting. If she said before the Chatzos, let her have a kavanah intention to pray Shmona Esrei, full Shmona Esrei at Mincha. Okay, because it's too late to pray Shmona Esrei al Shacharis, but with Shmona Esrei at Mincha she can pray. There is no problem. So and he said, I mean, maybe she's at home, right, before the children came from school. Okay, that's perfect time. So Mincha, one more time, Mincha can be prayed. We have Chatzos, we have a midday, and only 30 minutes after 30 halachic minutes after the midday you can pray Mincha. So if you look at the calendar, there is a specific time for earlier Mincha Gitola. Okay, and the last thing that he said that it's preferable to daven Mincha before the sunset, even though some people, in case of the need, we can daven even a little after sunset, up to a certain amount of time. Some say, depends on where you live, like maybe 30 minutes, 20 minutes, some even 40 minutes after sunset. But we try to pray the Mincha before the sunset, if possible.